If that sends shivers down your spine, you better upgrade to iOS 17 because you get new ringtones on iOS 17, and the default alarm sound is called Radio, and it sounds so much better. Take a listen, guys. I also like Arpeggio, Chalet, Daybreak, Journey, Kettle. What else? Oh yeah, Storytime and Shelter with their rounded sounds. Take a listen. Oh, and if you are one of those psychopaths who actually enjoy waking up to a heart attack in the morning, you could still access Radar in the Classics section. Right here by Presto and Radiate.